Hi everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to use dual Instagram apps on iPhone in few simple steps. So let's dive in. First, open Safari on your iPhone. Tap on the search bar and type Instagram.com. Then open the website. Now log into your second Instagram account, the one you want to keep separate from the main Instagram app. After logging in, tap on the Share button at the bottom of Safari. Scroll a little and tap on Add to Home Screen. You'll now see the Instagram icon appear with a name. If you want, you can rename it to something like Instagram Work or Second Instagram. Then tap Add from the top right corner. That's it. A new Instagram icon will now appear on your home screen just like a real app. Now you can use the official Instagram app for your main account and the Safari shortcut version for your second account. Both accounts will stay logged in separately and you can open and use them independently anytime. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.